Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coding Crowd. In this video, we are going to learn about what is the loops and iterations in a Python. So basically in this video, we will know about the loops, and in next video, we'll know about the iteration. So basically before start this topic, we have to know what does it mean by loops and how does it work in a Python. So basically loops and iterations are most important concept in Python programming that allows you to execute a code to multiple times. So basically the loop construct in a Python enables to repeat a certain task until its certain condition is met, making it a powerful tool for automating repetitive operations in a Python. So this is a use of loop in a Python. So how does it work in a Python? Let's begin this. So let's take any one example. For example, I have a toppings. First topping is a pepperoni, which is used on a pizza. So I have taken a first value, which is a pepperoni. Next is a mushroom, and third one is a olives. Fourth one is a sauces. Okay, so this is my toppings, and now if I want this all toppings in sequence wise, then I will write here print. I will write here print topping, and here I will dot 0 because I want these all sequence wise, right? This is for first topping, this is for second, this is 1, 2 and 3. Now I will execute this code. This is a normal way to write any Python code. If I want this all toppings in a sequence wise, then I will write this in this way. First I will write all toppings and print all toppings by a sequence. Like if I want first topping, then I will write a 0. For second topping, I will write a 1. And now execute the code. This is a normal way to write a Python code. But if I will use a loop code, then it will be very easy for us. How does it work? Let's take for use with a loop. Okay, now I will take a for loop here. Okay, so for topping in toppings. Now I will print topping. Okay, now I will print topping, and now execute the code. Maybe there is some error. Okay, yes. Now I will execute this code, and both answers are same. So this is difference between a loop code, use a loop and without loop. So this is a normal way to write, and this is used with a for loop. So this is a use of for loop, and it is very easy to use. If let's take another example. For example, I want to add a new topping in this, right? So let's take new toppings. I want I want 3 new toppings in this, so I will write here. I take a bacon. Just a second. I have taken a first topping is a bacon, second is a peppers, and third one is a pineapple. Okay, so these toppings I want to add in a previous one. Now I will write here for in new toppings, right? Okay, this one. Okay, for topping, no, it's right. Let's copy it, might be some error. For topping and the new toppings dot append, I will use here append function to add these toppings in a topping. Okay, now print toppings. Okay, this is now print toppings. Just a second guys, there is some error. Okay, now I will execute this code and let's see what is my answer. So this is my answer. This is a sequence of previous one, and now I have added 3 more items in this. So this is my answer. So this is very easy to use. We'll use this just append function and we can add more items in this. So this is a use of how it works in a Python code. So basically this is how we'll use this. Hope you liked this video. Thank you everyone.